So this is my workstation where I record the YouTube videos for Salesforce training and other videos that I made. So I have an unused mattress which I was going to throw away, but this helps reducing the echo. Therefore, there can be a lot of echo, especially when I am recording louder. So this foam, these ugly foams, helped quite a lot, but I decided to get a real professional one, so it looks way better for our recording studio. And this is Joshua, the Salesforce trainee. Can you open it? Careful. Okay, can you open it now? Okay, so that's how it looks like. Neewer NW5 focal booth. Let's take out this plastic here. There we go. And we can open it like so. Pretty nice, right? So we're gonna try it out without the foam. So let's do away with this ugly foams. I'm gonna take that away and throw it and throw it. One more and one more. So I put some books so I have some space for my monitor for recording. Now let's put this guy. Can you put it there, just behind the microphone? There we have it, the final setup. So it's a bit higher, my monitor now, and this is my Blue Yeti with the Neewer NW5 sound reflector, so I won't be echoing over the walls and everywhere, and my voice will sound robust and just perfect. So okay, let's see how this looks on when we start recording, and I hope it's going to be awesome. Alright, here we go. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. A pack of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers, where is the pack of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? So I hope my sound is not echoey. Tongue twisters are useful for encouraging children to hear the similar sound at the beginning of many words. Books with alteration are also fun. I think it's not alteration, it's alliteration. Alright, so let's hear this out, how this sounds like. And this is the end of our Neewer NW5 review. Bada bing, bada boom.